want to take it for a quick ride. Real punchy, this little 320 size. Woo, got some juice. Shifts real nice. Steering super tight. Adjusting steering wheel. Watch it. Squirrel just ran across. Brakes feel real good too. The noise coming from the speedo cable. Looks like all the gauges are working. Great oil pressure, geez. Like off the chart. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from PDB Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Go check out all the photos on our website too. It's pdbautos.com.